Hey, Jim Hart back at you here from Hawthorne Law. Welcome to another exciting episode. Today I want to talk to you about something a little bit different. I want to talk to you about the different legal issues that face different types of online businesses. So stick with me here for just a second. We're going to get right to the introduction here. First off, before I get into these legal issues that face different types of online businesses, I want to point out I'm filming from a different room today. I'm up in my upstairs studio, which I'm still kind of building out. I don't have it exactly where I want it to be just yet, but I'm working on this bookshelf behind me and put some of my favorite things. I got some good books over here. I got this mic that I use for webinars when I do webinars, and then I got this, which I'm probably going to lose some of yet, but it was an exciting week if you're a Browns fan. I'm a Cleveland Browns fan and have been for 30 years, all the way back to the 80s. So I might lose some of you there. If you're overseas and you don't know what I'm talking about, that's okay too. But hopefully I won't lose too many of you. Hopefully I actually gain some subscribers. But anyway, so what I want to talk to you about today is a series that I'm putting together. And I'm going to be doing, in the next several weeks, I'm going to be doing videos on all the different types of online businesses there are and the different legal issues that you might face if you have one of these online businesses. And I'm doing this because if you are a podcaster, the legal issues that you face are drastically different than if you are selling products on Amazon. If you're a blogger, the legal issues that you face are different than the legal issues that you might have if you are doing YouTube content. So there's all sorts of different online businesses that you can form. There's all sorts of different ways that you can make money online. If you tackle if you think the legal issues for one are the same as the others, they're not. And so that's why I'm putting together this series, because I want you to understand that if you're a podcaster, you have unique issues that you have to deal with. And I kind of started to make a list of the different types of businesses and the different types of ways that you can make money online. And here's what I came up with. Now, if I missed anything, please leave a comment below and let me know if you're doing in a different niche or you've got a different type of business that I haven't actually included in this list. But here's the list that I came up with. Podcasters. Podcasters, a lot of the legal issues you're going to deal with are related to intellectual property rights and things of that sort. But there's a lot of other issues you may face as well. So podcasters, I don't know why I keep saying podcasters first. It's just the first one that came off the tongue, I guess, this morning. YouTubers. So if you are making your money, if you're on YouTube and you're building a business, a brand on YouTube, you've got a unique set of issues that you have to deal with. I already mentioned Amazon sellers. So if you are selling either a dropship business or you're selling directly on Amazon, or some other e-commerce business where you're selling physical products and you're shipping those products from China to the United States, you have a unique set of issues that are different than all those other ones that you have to face in your business. A blogger, if you're a blogger, sometimes people they've got a blog and they're doing advertising on their blog and they're getting people to sign up for their email list and they're doing things that way. That is a unique business that you could have online. If you're an agency or if you're running an agency where you're helping people to do social media marketing or Facebook advertising or Google AdWords or something like that, or building websites, that's a unique business that you might have some separate legal issues with. If you're a coach or a consultant who is working with private clients, that is a unique business. Perhaps you also have independent contractors that you're dealing with or employees that you're dealing with. Very different legal issues than you're going to have if you're a YouTuber or podcaster or something like that. If you have a traditional business, maybe you're watching this YouTube channel because you have a traditional business where you're selling in a storefront, or you're a professional, or you maybe a CPA or a lawyer, or I know lawyers would actually watch me. I guess it could happen. You're going to have a unique set of issues. So I don't mean this to just be a list post or a list video where I'm naming a bunch of different things, but the reason I'm doing that is because I want to jog it in your head that there could be different issues that you're facing that other people aren't facing, or vice versa. And if you are in one of these niches and you need specific legal advice and legal help, I want you to know that I'm working on putting together some videos for each of these niches. And if I missed one, like I said before, please leave a comment below.